As a drone reviewer, there is one question that I get asked more than any other, and that question is, what drone can you buy that offers the most amount of features for the least possible price? And the answer is pretty simple. It is the Potensic Atom 2. The Atom 2 is a budget-friendly drone with some incredibly pro features that you just cannot get from other manufacturers, especially at this price point. However, Potensic have now done something which has absolutely not only raised the bar, but completely changed the game, because not only have they given us the Potensic Atom 2, if I spin this box around, you can see they have now launched a screen controller. That's right, no more messing with phones or cables. You can control the Potensic Atom 2 from this brand new piece of kit right here. So what I'm going to do in this video is simply review the Potensic Atom 2 and of course this screen controller to tell you everything you need to know about this combo. Now, for full disclosure, Potensic did send me this combo for free. However, I liked the promise of the Potensic Atom 2 so much that you can see I previously reviewed it on my channel, and here is my receipt to show where I physically bought it myself on Amazon. I think this is an absolutely fantastic bit of kit, and I cannot wait to get this unboxed and show you what it's all about. So let's get into it. So let's get the box open, and what you will see when we first open this up is we have a nice case from Potensic right here. This is absolutely fantastic and feels incredibly good quality. Okay, I absolutely love this, and this is very much different from the case that came with my previous combo. So when we open up the bag, with its nice little flap, as you can see, there is absolutely tons of space in this bag. It feels really, really nice quality. So first of all, we have our charging hub, okay, obviously which can accommodate 3 batteries. We have our spare props right there. We have our charging plug right here. Okay, we'll put that to a side, and then just under this flap right here, we have our Potensic Atom 2. And believe me, guys, this strap is one of the easiest straps for protecting and keeping your propellers in place than I've ever come across. Not to mention the gimbal cover is incredibly nice and simple as well. We might as well go ahead and pull that out. Okay, so that is lovely and easy. None of the fiddly ones you get on some other drones. And then, of course, what is new for this piece of kit is this new controller right here. Look at that, guys. That looks incredibly solid, and I can see that they have changed the antenna design on this as well compared to the old one with the phone mount. Okay, so that's also quite interesting. Of course, you've got a C1 button right here, C2 button, then you've got your 2 wheels right here, record here and camera there, of course home point, power on button, and your sticks. That's really, really nice. And of course underneath you've got your USB for charging, you've got these for a lanyard, and your USB down at the bottom, and your sticks are stored neatly at the back. And of course that's your heatsink to keep the whole thing a little bit cool, because this thing does have a built-in fan. Now in this video I am of course reviewing the Fly More combo. However, you will be able to buy this controller and the Atom 2 as a package together without the additional batteries, and you also will be able to buy, if you already have the Potensic Atom 2, this controller as a standalone unit, and I will pop the prices for those packages on screen right now, and of course I will leave links in the video description where you can go and buy one for yourself. So now we've unboxed the Fly More combo with this brand new controller, we're going to take a look at the controller in more detail. And right away, this feels a big step forward for Potensic. The PTD-1 Smart Controller isn't missing anything whatsoever. It literally does everything you'd expect from a pro level controller. You've got the Potensic Eve app built right in, so there's no need to download anything or connect your phone, no messing with cables or phone holders, so much more simple. All you need to do is connect the controller to Wi-Fi, log into your Potensic account, and you are ready to fly. Now the display itself is really impressive. with, you get a 5.5-inch 700 nit full HD screen that stays bright and clear even in strong daylight. And this controller really feels more like a premium smart device rather than a budget add-on. Now, one of the standout features of this controller is the ability to record your screen or take screenshots directly from the controller. That's perfect for tutorials like I'm making exactly on this video, or saving those precious flight moments. Over on the right hand side, there's a shortcut to settings where you can manage storage, perform compass calibration, or indeed check your flight logs. Now, it has to be said, at the time of making this video, any flights done with this new smart controller do not actually sync over to the Potensic Eve app over on your smartphone, so hopefully that's something Potensic will fix in a future update. And when it comes to those screen recordings I mentioned earlier, they record at 720p 50 frames per second. However, of course, our live view on our screen to see exactly what we are doing is a full 1080p, and this controller even includes a full 32GB worth of internal storage for saving all of those screen recordings or screenshots, which of course is expandable with a micro SD card. The controller houses a 6400 mAh battery, which is good for around 3 hours worth of continuous use, and if you have a 27-watt fast charger, it should reach around 90% charge in roughly 1 hour and 25 minutes. Now, when it comes to transmission, this controller runs on Potensic's PicSync 4.0, which in ideal circumstances it should give you around 10 kilometers worth of range with, as I mentioned earlier, a 1080p video feed with only 120 milliseconds worth of latency. Now, it's worth noting that in open countryside, this is going to be pretty much rock solid connection, but remember, because it only operates on that 2.4 GHz band, in built-up areas you might see a little bit of interference or indeed a drop in signal distance. Now, the controller features this C1 and C2 button just on the top. Now, you can fully customize what these buttons do in the Potensic Eve app. I've got mine set to gimbal, tilt and high speed toggle mode, but you can assign them however you want. One great feature of this controller is the dynamic home point. This really comes into its own when you are actually out following a car, for example, getting car content, and obviously you don't want the drone, if you do get a disconnection, to fly all the way back away from you, so you can set it to dynamic home point, so it constantly updates as to where your location is in terms of the controller, which is an absolutely great feature. However, if you did lose connection or indeed hit that return to home, is you can actually turn off that annoying return to home beeping, which happens, and that is a great feature for me and something I find incredibly annoying indeed. So honestly, this controller feels absolutely fantastic. It's a real big leap for Potensic. It feels smooth, reliable, professional, and genuinely enjoyable to use. As I mentioned earlier, I've had absolutely no issues with this controller whatsoever, and honestly, I cannot wait to create more content using this combo. But now we've discussed all the features of this brand new controller, let's look into the Potensic Atom 2 drone itself, because even though it's been out for quite a while, paired with this new controller, it feels like a completely refreshed package. Now, the Atom 2 comes in under 249 grams, it's C-labelled and remote ID ready, basically meaning it's fully compliant for the UK and European drone flyers. It's powered by a half-inch Sony sensor, shooting 4K HDR video on a 3-axis gimbal and capable of either 12-megapixel photos or high-resolution stills using enhanced processing. You get 32 minutes worth of flight per battery, and the combo box includes 3 batteries, so that's around 96 minutes worth of total flight time. Plus, the parallel charger that comes with it can actually charge all of the batteries together, and thanks to its level 5 wind resistance, it stays incredibly stable even in incredibly gusty conditions, making sure your footage is absolutely rock solid. So let's demonstrate some of these flight modes with the Potensic Atom 2 then, and before we get into all the colour profiles and flight modes, I want to show you a cool feature that has been launched with this brand new controller. The new controller includes a one-handed takeoff option, so all we need to do is go into Potensic Eve app, toggle that on, and then what we do is we hold the C1 button and pull the left stick down. Once we release the stick, the drone is going to take off automatically. Now, this is a great way of getting the drone up in the air really quick, or indeed hand launching if you do not have a suitable takeoff location. Now, thanks to a recent update, we now have a flat colour mode called P-Log. Now this flat profile captures a wider dynamic range, giving you more highlight and shadow detail and ultimately greater control when it comes to grading it later in your video editing software. And obviously if you do have a play about, you'll see just how much latitude you have to style your shots exactly how you want. And for anybody after a really cinematic look, P-Log is a major win. And whilst we are recorded in 4K, the Atom 2 also offers up to 2x digital zoom without noticeable quality loss, which is perfect for pulling in subjects when you can't fly closer or for creative framing mid-shot. So let's take a look at the Atom 2's intelligent flight modes then, powered by AI, and this is where the Atom 2 really stands out. Now the first one we're going to discover is the AI follow mode. Now this is the popular one that a lot of you will already be aware of, okay? This basically allows the drone to follow us from behind, and it just gives us some great footage of yourself on a nice walk or capturing the family, or indeed, you know, just those candid shots that are really great, precious moments. However, one thing it has to be said on this drone that I will absolutely say I have never experienced in my life with any other manufacturer is I managed to not only get this drone to active track myself, but it actually managed to active track the dog running around in a field. No other drone I've ever seen can do that because primarily they only active track humans, boats or cars. Not only that, I even managed to get the Potensic Atom 2 to active track another drone flying through the sky, and I'm sure you can agree it did an absolutely incredible job. So this is absolutely revolutionary. Never in all my experience testing drones have I managed to get a drone to do what this Potensic Atom 2 has just done. So next up, let's try the parallel track. This is similar to the follow mode, but of course it's tracking us from the side. And as you can see, it's keeping pace absolutely perfectly, giving us a really nice, smooth cinematic side shot. One other great feature which is vastly used on this Potensic Atom 2 is of course Spotlight mode. Spotlight mode locks the camera on the subject that you select on screen whilst you fly manually. Now this is perfect for creative reveals and of course orbit shots, and it's even better for those of you that are not quite so good on the sticks because it allows you to get incredibly smooth footage just by pressing one joystick. Now the Atom 2 with the Eve app gives us multiple shooting options for photos. Of course we can use 4:3, 16:9 or indeed portrait. Now it's worth noting that this is actually achieved through cropping rather than true sensor rotation, so it's not native vertical, but it's certainly good enough, especially for sharing on social media or a quick Instagram or TikTok reel. One particular highlight of this drone I really enjoyed was the slow motion mode. As you can see, I used it to film this wind turbine and it just looks really cool and dramatic, and I really like this feature. They also give us the ability to do a cine roll, which gives that Inception style rotating shot that instantly feels cinematic. And as you can see, this just looks absolutely fantastic, if not a little risky, flying between these two church towers, but certainly gives us some absolutely epic footage indeed. Now, even though we've got all those AI modes and seeing how capable this drone really is, it doesn't end there, because we've got a full suite of AI quick shots, including dolly zoom, pull away, rocket, circle, and boomerang. Now, the dolly zoom does give a really striking effect. However, I have had a little bit of trouble getting it to work correctly, but when it does, it really gives that fantastic parallax effect. And despite all of these creative modes that I've mentioned, the Atom 2 also gives us a full set of automatic pano modes. We've got vertical, 180, wide angle, and the ever popular spherical pano, which stitches together a globe style image that looks incredible straight out of the camera. Now, if you said to me what's one of my favourite features of this Atom 2, it is most certainly the AI night mode. This makes a huge amount of difference in low light situations, and if I turn it on, you can see that difference before and after is absolutely massive. If we run the footage before, you can see it's incredibly dark with not much detail. However, if we compare that to with the AI night mode on, you can see the huge difference with a huge amount more detail over this power station, and is certainly a worthy feature of this drone indeed. Now, photo capability is equally as strong. You've got that 12 megapixel and 8K resolution mode that I mentioned earlier for extra detail, plus you've got exposure bracketing, burst and time shots for those time lapses. It wouldn't be a fair review if I didn't give some negatives. So one of the main gripes I have is the follow mode requires the gimbal to be down at least 25 degrees. Now this is the problem because it means we're always going to have to capture from up and high, and it doesn't allow us to follow from a much more lower down, flatter mode. Secondly, as I mentioned earlier, the whole system runs on that 2.4 gigahertz band, basically meaning that in high interference areas, such as a residential area, you might notice some signal interference or quite a bit shorter range. And just to finish off, I would have really liked to have seen 4K 60 frames per second, but the 30 frames per second certainly does a fantastic job indeed. So what on earth do you think to that? For me, the Potensic Atom 2 with this new screen controller is a very powerful combination indeed. So if you are looking for your first drone, or even if you have a drone a few years old and you are looking to upgrade, this is most certainly a decent contender. Of course, I will leave a link to where you can buy it in the video description so you can go check it out. But ultimately, what a fantastic product for the money, with some incredibly good features that we wish we potentially had on some other brands. So if you found this video useful, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch my content. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.